This video
Here
is from
are these motor races
1927.
again. I think this one
Car
states
race
that
is going on 98 years
what's the
ago.
famous course I described a few minutes ago? What?
Brooklands.
Brooklands. Now the famous Brooklands course, which was the only race course in England, the whole circuit was only about 3 miles. It therefore had to be very steeply banked at the bends. But cars did get up to quite high speeds. And there's Diana there again. She was what you might call walking out with Stephen. There was a good deal of walking out done. In fact, they were walking out together for many years before they got engaged to be married. Took a long time. Now, I, for example, knew my wife very well for about 10 years before we got engaged. It was all very gradual. Very early racing cars. I think those cars are Bugattis. The steering was very unreliable in those cars. They were all over the racing track, and they were always having pile-ups, the most dreadful casualties.